Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you'd like to see the battery percentage, just like I have here, all you have to do is to simply enter the settings and tap on the battery. As you can see here at the very bottom, we've got the battery percentage option, which is of course in my case turned on. If you've got only the battery indicator, it is obviously turned off, sorry. So just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, the exact percentage of the battery immediately appears next to the battery icon. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.